Check out this robotic lawnmower. This is from a company called YARDCARE. This one's going to be hard to beat for the price. Let's get this thing set up and get to mowing. This mower is great for lawns with clear boundaries. I have a pretty clear boundary with my concrete, so my yard works great with this mower. And also grass lower than 2.6 inches. If it's higher than 2.6 inches, it will think it's an obstacle. This mower also mows in random patterns. Got your user's manual. Got your charger. Got your robot. Got some blades. I really like the fact that this thing don't have a docking station or you have to run any wires for the boundaries. To charge it, you simply just pull the battery out, go charge this up, put it back in, and you're ready to go. On top, you can control the height at which you want to cut your grass. It's also got an extra large stop button. You got your power button, and then you got some extra controls. And then you can access your battery. It just pops right out and you can go charge this up. It's got extra large all-terrain tires on the side. Can grip any surface. On the bottom side, you got your blades. It has visual navigation on front with this camera and also obstacle avoidance. So this is what my lawn looks like before it mows. This robot is super easy to use. What I like to do, I like to go to my center of my yard and put it in cut in circle mode. All you got to do for that feature is hit the power button and then hit this button. It'll cut in a circle and then hit OK. This thing is perfect for small lawns. And then you can grab a chair, sit back, and watch us do its magic. And when you're done cutting, all you got to do is come up and hit the stop button. It also has visual detection and it will avoid obstacles. Alright, it just finished cutting my lawn. It did a pretty good job, as you can see. Check it out, it'll be linked down below.